Hello and welcome to ANZ Trading Vapi. We're thrilled to have you here as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of Bitcoin. We're excited to guide you through the world of Bitcoin, a truly revolutionary digital currency. Bitcoin is not just a new form of money, it's a groundbreaking technology that has the potential to reshape the financial landscape. Bitcoin has taken the financial world by storm, and it's changing how we think about money. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity or government. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about this new technology, we're here to break it all down for you in a way that's easy to understand. We'll cover everything from the basics of how Bitcoin works to its potential impact on the global economy. Bitcoin was created in 2008 by a mysterious person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. This enigmatic figure laid the foundation for what would become a financial revolution. Since then, it's grown from a niche idea to a global phenomenon. Bitcoin's journey from obscurity to mainstream acceptance is nothing short of remarkable. Today, Bitcoin is used by individuals, businesses, and even some governments around the world. It's being adopted for various purposes, from everyday transactions to large-scale investments. So, let's dive in and explore what makes Bitcoin so special. We'll uncover its unique features, its advantages, and the challenges it faces. Get ready to discover the future of money. In the simplest terms, Bitcoin is digital money. It's like the cash in your pocket, but instead of being physical bills and coins, it exists purely online. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or financial institution. This means it's decentralized, giving users more control over their money. Bitcoin is based on a groundbreaking technology called blockchain, which acts like a public ledger for all transactions. This ledger is distributed across a network of computers, making it incredibly secure and transparent. Since the blockchain is accessible to everyone, it's easy to verify transactions and track the history of every Bitcoin. Imagine a giant digital book where every Bitcoin transaction is recorded. This book is called the blockchain, and it's the backbone of Bitcoin. The blockchain is constantly growing as new blocks of transactions are added. Each block is linked to the previous one, creating a chronological chain of all Bitcoin activity. Here's the cool part. The blockchain is not stored in one place. It's distributed across a vast network of computers around the world. When you make a Bitcoin transaction, it's broadcast to this network. Special computers called miners then verify and add your transaction to a block. This decentralized system makes Bitcoin very secure and nearly impossible to tamper with. Sending and receiving Bitcoin is surprisingly simple. Despite what you might think, you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. All you need is a Bitcoin wallet, which is like a digital account. This wallet can be an app on your smartphone or a program on your computer. You can think of your Bitcoin wallet like your email address. Just as you use your email to send and receive messages, your Bitcoin wallet allows you to send and receive digital currency. You can send and receive Bitcoin using this unique address. Each wallet has its own address, similar to how each email account has its own unique email address. When you want to send Bitcoin to someone, you initiate a transaction using your wallet. This is as simple as entering the recipient's address and the amount you want to send, then pressing send. This transaction is then broadcast to the Bitcoin network. Think of it like sending a message out to a group of people who are all listening. Miners, those special computers we talked about earlier, will verify your transaction and add it to a block on the blockchain. These miners solve complex mathematical problems to ensure the transaction is legitimate. Once confirmed, the transaction is complete. The recipient will see the Bitcoin in their wallet, and you will see the deduction in yours. This process might sound complicated, but it happens seamlessly in the background. You don't need to worry about the technical details. You don't need to understand the technical details to use Bitcoin, just like you don't need to be a mechanic to drive a car. The important thing is that it works, and it works well. They are cryptographic puzzles that require significant computational power to solve. As a reward for their efforts, miners are awarded new bitcoins. This reward system incentivizes miners to continue their work, ensuring the network remains robust and secure. This process is how new bitcoins are created and released into circulation. Each time a miner successfully solves a puzzle, a new block is added to the blockchain, and new bitcoins are minted. Think of it like digital gold mining. Just as gold miners dig through layers of earth to find gold, Bitcoin miners use their computing power to uncover new bitcoins. Miners are using their computing power to dig for new bitcoins. This digital excavation is both time-consuming and resource-intensive. The rate at which new bitcoins are created is controlled by the Bitcoin protocol, ensuring scarcity and preventing inflation. This protocol adjusts the difficulty of the puzzles to regulate the rate of new Bitcoin creation. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, making it a finite and valuable asset. This cap ensures that Bitcoin remains scarce, much like precious metals, adding to its allure and value. Section 6. Why use Bitcoin? The good stuff. So why are people so excited about Bitcoin? Well, it offers several advantages over traditional currency. First and foremost, Bitcoin is decentralized. This means it's not controlled by any single entity, making it resistant to censorship and government interference. Bitcoin transactions are also generally faster and cheaper than traditional bank transfers, especially for international payments. Additionally, Bitcoin is highly secure. The blockchain technology ensures that transactions are transparent and nearly impossible to counterfeit. Finally, Bitcoin has the potential to bank the unbanked. Millions of people around the world don't have access to traditional banking services. Bitcoin provides a secure and accessible way for them to participate in the global economy. Section 7. Bitcoin's challenges. What you need to know. While Bitcoin offers many benefits, it's important to be aware of the risks and challenges associated with it. One of the main concerns is its volatility. The price of Bitcoin can fluctuate significantly, which can be risky for investors. Another challenge is security. While the Bitcoin network itself is highly secure, there have been cases of hacking and theft from Bitcoin exchanges and wallets. It's crucial to choose reputable service providers and take steps to secure your Bitcoin holdings. Furthermore, Bitcoin is still a relatively new technology, and its regulatory landscape is still evolving. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Section 8. Bitcoin in action: real-world examples. Bitcoin is no longer just a theoretical concept. It's being used in the real world for a variety of purposes. Online retailers, both large and small, are increasingly accepting Bitcoin as payment. You can now purchase everything from coffee to cars using Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also gaining traction in the remittance market. Migrant workers can send money back home to their families quickly and cheaply using Bitcoin, bypassing traditional money transfer services. Moreover, Bitcoin is being used for charitable donations, micro-lending, and even as a form of investment. As the Bitcoin ecosystem continues to grow and mature, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge in the future.